Hi, beautiful people. Welcome to PsySigns, where we decode behavior and help you build emotional clarity. And today we're talking about something every man feels deeply but almost never admits. The physical touches he craves but won't ask for. Because behind every calm, confident man is someone who secretly melts when you touch him the right way. Let's talk about 7 of those touches. The ones that make him blush, melt, and crave you more than he'll ever say. 1. The sneaky handhold. It's that subtle move. Your fingers brush his, and you just take his hand like it's the most natural thing in the world. No asking, no hesitation. Just soft, confident energy. You'll feel him tense up for half a second, then relax. Because it's not just a touch, it's quiet possession. It says, "You're safe with me." Men love that. The mix of sweetness and confidence. It's small, but it's the kind of thing he replays later, probably while smiling to himself like an idiot. 2. The hug that lingers. You wrap your arms around his neck, his hands naturally find your waist, and then you don't pull away. It's not just a hug. It's 2 hearts taking a break from pretending to be strong all the time. The moment your hand slides up around his neck and you pull him just a little closer, it's game over. That kind of hug feels like warmth, love, and quiet chaos all at once. He might never say it, but he feels it. Those are the hugs he remembers when you're gone. 3. The guided touch. When you lead him in. There's something powerful about a woman who knows how to initiate intimacy. When you start the cuddle, or you're the one who leans in first for that slow, teasing kiss, it tells him something rare, that he's wanted too. Because men don't get that often. They're used to doing the chasing. So when you take the lead, gently, intentionally, he'll never forget it. It's soft but bold, feminine but confident, and it hits him deeper than he'll ever admit. 4. The back of the neck touch. You reach up and rest your hand there, maybe while hugging him from behind, or just whispering something into his ear. It's protective, grounding, almost primal. It says, "You're mine right here." Men don't get touched like that often with care. So when they do, it goes straight to their chest. It's one of those subtle gestures that lingers, even hours later. 5. The fix his hair move. You reach up to brush a strand out of his face or fix his messy hair, and he completely freezes. Because it's playful and affectionate all at once. And suddenly, it's not about the hair, it's about you being that close. He can smell you, feel your fingers graze his skin. That little gesture feels way too intimate for how casual it looked. It's the ultimate, I like you without saying it move. 6. The touch when he's focused move. He's working, concentrating, or driving, and you gently run your fingers along his arm or shoulder. It's unexpected. It snaps him out of his head and straight into you. It tells him, "I see you," even when you're busy. It's grounding, soft but powerful. And be careful with this one, because it's dangerously effective. Especially if he's driving. We don't want him short-circuiting and getting you both in an accident. Use it wisely, ladies. 7. The hug from behind. This one is every man's weakness. He's standing there, maybe doing something random, and suddenly, you wrap your arms around him from behind. Your head resting on his back, your hands around his stomach. That right there is comfort in human form. It's intimate, protective, and full of love, all at once. He won't say a word, but he'll stop whatever he's doing for a second, because that's one of the few touches that makes even the strongest men melt. It's not just affection, it's a whisper that says, "I'm here. I've got you." See, men might act tough, but they crave softness too. Touches that aren't just physical, but emotional. Touches that tell him he's wanted, seen, and safe. So next time, don't overthink it. Be playful, be gentle, be a little dangerous with your touch. Because sometimes, it's not the big gestures that win his heart. It's the small, quiet ones that stay on his skin long after you're gone. Don't forget to subscribe, because here at PsySigns, We're building emotional clarity one truth at a time. See you in the next one.